Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to today's video. Now for me it is Friday afternoon / evening. What I want to do is I want to get the yellow Golf shell out of the garage because if you'd watched the last video you will know that tomorrow we are picking up the red Golf from the body shop. With this in the way I won't be able to get it in, so what I want to do is I want to get it out. There's a space next to the garage, I'll just show you quickly. So we're going to be pushing the car out and I'm just going to be putting it in this little space here. Just get it out of the way, and then what we do need to do is we do need to have a bit of a tidy up because there's mess everywhere. It's tools still from when I took all the parts off there. We're going to tidy all them up. I'm going to take them to my lockup just so we've got a bit more room. Just need to put the steering wheel on and then we're good to go. Having a bit of difficulty moving this. I'm absolutely knackered. What I'm probably going to do is pull the van forward, attach it onto there somewhere. Yeah, that was a lot easier using the van to pull it as opposed to my own body weight. But there she is, down the side. What I did pick up, I picked up a cheap car cover, £10 from Aldi. I'll just go and grab that. So yeah, as I was saying, I picked up a car cover from Aldi's. It was only £10, so it does say indoor one, but for £10, you know, if it does deteriorate then I can just pick up another one. But I'm going to get this on the car now, as you can see, just to take the eye off it, because the neighbours probably don't want to come out their back garden and see the bright yellow half a car sitting there, so I'm just going to put a car cover over it and just takes the eye off it. Right, so that's one job done. Now for the second job, to tidy all the mess up that we made when we were stripping it down. What I'm going to start by doing is tidying all the tools up, getting them back to where they need to go. Axle stands and brakes, doors, everything. So, and then we're going to tackle all of this. What I'm going to do is chuck it in the van. I've got a little lockup for parts, so I'm just going to chuck them in to the lockup, and then we've made enough room for the red Golf, so I'm just going to start doing that. Right, so all the tools are put away. Just got to tidy everything up here, chuck it in the van, and then that will all be tidy, like just like that. It's cleaned. If only it was like that in real life. Right, Okay, so I'm done for today. I will see you in the morning. Now, today's a very exciting day for me, as you may well know. I'm going to pick up my, turn that off. I'm going to pick up my Golf. It's currently 10 to 8. So we're going to be driving up to the body shop. We're going to be picking the car up, putting it back on the truck, bringing it back, and then we can get it into the garage. So excited. So we've got the car back in the garage now. I've also taken the parts out of the van. I'm just going to show you what we've got. Now I do still need to go back up to the body shop. There was a bit of an issue with the driver's seat, the Recaros that I showed you in the reveal video for this car. So I'm going back up there at some point this week. I need to pick up the side skirts, and there's a set of rear lights that Matt is tinting for me slightly, so I can show you all of them bits once we get them back. So we start with this rear bumper. Okay, this is a US spec bumper. Now the normal UK bumpers, they quite long and thin, but with this it fits a square plate. And I've also had all the holes filled in, so there's no holes there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach. I've done this before on my old car, so I know it works. It's fine. But I'm going to attach like 6 or 8 magnets on the back, and then on the number plate, so it will hold it in place. It won't fall off. It's tried and tested, so I'm going to do that. So obviously when I go to car shows, just pull the plate off. It looks a bit smarter, and that's what I'm going to be doing with the bumper. Now here we've got the this is a petrol anniversary splitter. It's got the cutout for the exhaust there. Now on the car itself, I'll quickly show you, it doesn't have the cutout for the exhaust. The diesel anniversary cars, they're just straight across, but with the petrol, like I just showed you, it's got the cutout there. Okay, so next we have the front bumper. It's got the US type bump strip with the indicators in the bumper there. It's also been smoothed out. Usually a number plate recess is there, but that doesn't have it, so it just smartens that up. And already on the car, it's had the rear indicator delete there. Obviously these go on the bumper here. They just need a good clean up, but they will. That's the wrong side, but they'll go in. They'll slot in there. Then we've got the front splitter. Now the one that was actually on the car before this, again, these are all genuine parts. But the one that was on the car, it was all scuffed underneath, as you can see there. The spot, and it just, like I said, it just needs a good clean. So we'll carefully put that back, make sure we don't scratch it. And then they go on the rear. I'll just show you. They go on the rear of the car there. They just haven't been put on yet. Yeah, there was a bit of an issue with the seat. That one's in. But there was a bit of an issue with the driver's seat, so that's still at the body shop getting finished. So I've still got to pick up the rear lights. Now that what I did was I bought a set of standard Golf lights. I think they're red and they've got that amber where the indicator goes. I'm getting them tinted all red. And I've also got some US spec rear lights as well, so I'm going to have 2 sets of lights so I can just switch it up a bit. And as you can see here, this bumper doesn't have any screw holes as well, so I can change between the two, and again put the magnets on the back of that, and that should look nice when you pull up at a car show. Yeah. So that's the plan with regards to the bumpers and the lights. Now you may notice the boot handle, that's not standard, that's off of a Mk4 Golf. Now it only works when the ignition's on. And I've still got to pick the side skirts up from the body shop. I've got 2 drive-on ramps that need a bit of repair work, so they're at the body shop, so I will be going back up to the body shop to pick them up later on in the week. And what else is there? So obviously you remember I took the dashboard out of the Mk4, the yellow one. That will be going in here. It does need a good clean, so what I'm gonna do is, it's raining now, but I'm just gonna dry the car. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now quickly is I'm just gonna fit the front splitter onto the bumper, and then I'm just going to test fit the bumper onto the car just to make sure it all still lines up okay. Clean it is underneath, brand new. Just a bit of dirt there. So yeah, I'm just going to test fit this now onto the car just to see what it looks like, show you guys, and then what I'm going to do is give the car a quick wipe down. So there it is, we have the car back now. Today has been a very good day for me. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave the thumbs up. If you're new and you want to see more on the Golf and future projects, I buy and sell cars, as well as working on my own cars. So if you want to see more of this, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification, that will notify you when I next post a video. But that's all for today. I'm just going to move the car back, make a bit more room, and then yeah, I think in the next episode we're going to be working on the car. I'll talk a little more about the plans and the stages we're going to go through with this car, Now, I mentioned in the last video that I was watching a few cars from auction. Now, I was watching about 8 cars, and no word of a lie, all 8 cars went for more than I was willing to pay. So fingers crossed next week we purchase a new project. That'll be nice, but we've got plenty to crack on with the Red Golf until then anyway. So don't forget, if you like the video and all that good stuff, then yeah, you know what to do. I will catch you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.